Hello everybody. I am Shalini Asthana, PGT English from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 3, Chakeri, Kanpur. Today we are going to talk about mental health. As we all are celebrating Mental Health Week, we know that this mental health is the most important thing for all of us. So, let us talk about mental stability. Mental stability is like a ceiling with four pillars: family, work, social relations, and mental health. We cannot be stable when our family is not happy. So, these four factors determine the stability of our mind: family, work, the relationship which we have with our society, with our friends, and our own mental health. We should not be in a depression. We should always be positive. We should be optimistic. So these are the factors, and they determine the stability of our mind. Let us talk about a story. Imagine three buckets. One is full of thick cement, the second is full of honey, and the third is full of water. If we hit each of them with an equal force, what will happen? The cement will barely move, the honey will sway but will not spill, whereas the water will move up and down and may spill over. The lesson here is that there are people who will not experience significant mood changes under stress. There are others who will experience mood changes but not extreme ones under such stress. But some others will be swayed by the circumstances. So we need to be strong like the cement. But even if we are not the strong, we all have the power to gather our mental strength and to be resilient. Let us talk about a mixed picture, which tells us that students in China, in India, in so many countries, they have faced a lot of mental trauma during this lockdown, which was due to COVID-19 pandemic, and they have struggled a lot to create a balance between their physical and mental self. The most important thing for the recovery of our mental health is to communicate, and just to communicate with our friends, relatives. We can talk to them face to face. We can have video calls, phone calls, individual messages. If we want to be happy, if we want others to be happy, we should have to be listener. We should listen to them with compassion. We have to rebuild relationships with families, with friends, and we have to create a sense of belongingness in ourselves. Now, the question is, who is the most important person? Definitely you are. In this traumatic time, when you are facing any kind of mental stress, think yourself as the most important person. Take care of yourself, think about your needs, ask for help, and set realistic expectations. So, students, let's now see some more videos where our students have tried to share their experiences, that when they underwent such traumatic conditions during the lockdown, how did they overcome with their situation. So, let us talk about them.
Hello everyone, this is me Harshita Tripathi of class 12 Commerce. Today I'm going to share my experience of lockdown. During lockdown, I was so scared about my studies and I don't know what to do, how to solve numerical questions and all. But fortunately, these online classes helped me a lot. Our teachers are very supportive. They not only teach us best, but also they take care of our mental health. Now I'm confident enough to score best in my board exams. Thank you to all my teachers.
Good morning. I am Mohammad Gulfam from class 12th B Commerce, KV number 3, Chakeri, Kanpur. I'm going to share my experience during lockdown. I faced a lot of problems during lockdown. I have no device to attend my online classes. After removing the lockdown, I am arranged my smartphone. On 13th July, I attained my first online classes, and due to best efforts all my teachers, I am clearing my all concept and all doubts, and thanks a lot my teachers.
So, this video is just an attempt to tell you that your mental health is the most important thing for you. You have to keep a balance. You have to eat healthy, think positive, and strive hard to achieve your goal. All the best.